Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.1, Problem 7.
This is Section 4.1, Problem 7. It says, write each of the following as a unit rate. Well, first of all, what is a unit rate? A unit rate is really a fraction where the denominator is 1, is what it amounts to. So, the first one, our car travels 112 miles with 5 gallons of gas. So the fraction we'll start with is 112 miles, and the denominator will be 5 gallons, abbreviated. Now, I want to make the denominator 1, which means I'll have to divide both numerator and denominator by 5 to make the denominator 1. So, 5 divides into 5 once, so 1 gallon, that's easy. 5 doesn't divide into 112 evenly. To go in evenly, it should end in 0.5. It doesn't. So off to the side, I just 5 divides into 112 and see what I get. 5 into 1 won't go. 5 into 10 will go twice. Let's see, 2 times 5 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Bring down the next digit is a 12. 5 divides into 12 also twice. So 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And it's not going in evenly, so think of it as 112.0. Bring that next 0 down. 5 divides into 20 4 times. And the decimal I put in has to come straight up. So 22.4. So that's going to be my numerator, 22.4. When I divided 5 into 112, I got 22.4. That's in miles. So you'd say that car gets 22.4 miles to the gallon, which is not bad gas mileage. The next one, part B, says Jean pays $30 for 4 tickets to the car museum. So it will be $30 over 4 tickets. And again, what does unit rate mean? Unit rate means the denominator has to be 1. So I want to try and reduce both by 4. Well, the denominator is easy. 4 divides into 4 once, so I'll have 1 ticket. Now, 4 doesn't go into 30 evenly. So for divide by 4, I know half of 30 is 15, half of 15 is 7.5. So it'd be $7.50 per ticket. Now, let's say you don't know that, or you don't do it as comfortably in your head. So off to the side, I'll divide 4 into 30. 4 divides into 3, it won't go. 4 divides into 30, 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2, so it hasn't gone in evenly. So think of the 30 as a 30.0, bring down the 0. 4 divides into 20 exactly 5 times, and my decimal would come straight up. So you can do it out the long way. I kind of reasoned it out in my head. 7.5, so that's in dollars. So since it's dollars, let's make it $7.50. So the tickets to the car museum were $7.50 per ticket. Part C, we want a unit rate. Uncle Manny Brand Charisse has 330 calories for 4 servings. So again, unit rate means we want a fraction with the denominator of 1. So the numerator will be 330 calories, which we can abbreviate. And the denominator 4 servings, which again we can abbreviate. So again, we want the denominator to be 1. It's going to really wind up being how many calories per serving, which is what people want to know. So you're going to have to reduce both by 4. Well, 4 clearly goes into 4 once. So you have per serving here on the bottom. 4 into 330, that's not something that works easily for a lot of people. So off to the side. 330 divided by 4. 4 divides into 3, it won't fit. 4 goes into 33, as close as it'll fit is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 33 minus 32 is 1. Bring down the next digit is 10. 4 divides into 10, it'll go twice. So 2 times 4 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2, so it hasn't gone in evenly. So think of the 330 as 330.0. Bring that next 0 down. 4 divides into 20 exactly 5 times. You have to put the decimal there too. 82.5. So it'd be 82.5 calories for every 1 serving. And finally, the last one, part D, 30 ounces of meat to make 5 hamburgers, rated as a unit rate. So 30 ounces, the abbreviation is OZ, 5 hamburgers, just abbreviate BURG for hamburgers. Again, unit rate means it should be written with a denominator of 1. In this case, 5 does divide into both easy enough. So 5 divides into the 30 ounces 6 times. So it'd be 6 ounces. Again, standard abbreviation for ounces OZ. And 5 into 5 is 1. And again, my made-up abbreviation for hamburger, BURG. So 6 ounces per hamburger.